And hi everyone. So today I will present to you about the microbiology assessment, which is Pecha Kucha, adopt a microbe. With me, Nur Ariana Hafni binti Abdul. So I will talk about the microbe that I have chosen in the next slide. Let's go. The microbe that I have chosen is Aspergillus niger. So every microbe has the classification. So it kingdom is fungi, phylum Ascomycota, class Eurotymositis, order Eurotylus, family Aspergillosia, genus Aspergillus, and species Niger. So we move to the next slide. So I would like to talk about the characteristic of this microbe. First one is spores. Aspergillus niger produces abundant conidia, which is asexual spores in distinctive chains on specialized structures called conidiophores. It also typically black in color, giving the fungus its name niger, which is black in Latin. The second characteristic of this microbe is industrial uses. It is widely used in biotechnology and industry, particularly in the production of citric acid, enzymes such as amylase and protease, organic acids, and various fermentation processes. So this microbe is used in the industrial. We move to the third characteristic of this microbe, which is occurrence and health concerns. It is commonly found in nature and usually not harmful to healthy individuals, but some people will be sensitive or allergic, and it also inhalation of its spores can lead to respiratory issues and also can cause food spoilage. Here are the metabolism of the microbe. One, aerobic respiration. It is utilizing oxygen for energy through the breakdown of sugars. And the second one is the secretion of enzyme, which is it produce a wide area of enzyme and also it break down complex substrate into a simple compounds. The third metabolism is citric acid production. Its ability to produce citric acid and it occurs through the fermentation with limited oxygen availability. And the fourth is secondary metabolites, which is primary metabolic pathway involved in growth and energy production and synthesis of various secondary metabolites. All living organisms need nutrition to live. So these are the nutrition that needed for the microbes. So the first one is the carbon source, second, nitrogen source, third, mineral requirements, fourth, vitamin. So it has four nutrition. The first nutrition is carbon source. In carbohydrates, it capable of utilizing a wide range of carbohydrates and includes monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. And next is pectin. It has a notable ability to degrade and utilize pectin, which is a complex polysaccharide that found in plants. The second nutrition is nitrogen source. Inorganic nitrogen. It uses inorganic nitrogen sources like ammonium salts, example ammonium sulfate and nitrates. Second, amino acids and protein. It utilizes various amino acids and peptides derived from protein breakdown as nitrogen sources. The third nutrition is mineral requirements. In phosphorus, it essential for various cellular processes, including energy transfer as ATP and nucleic acid synthesis. Second, in sulfur, essential for the synthesis of sulfur, which is containing amino acids and other sulfur, also containing other compounds. The fourth nutrition is vitamins. In biotin, it is known as vitamin B7 for various metabolic processes, especially fatty acid synthesis. Second is pantothenic acid. It is also another B vitamin, vitamin B5, that plays a role in coenzyme A synthesis. Next, we will move to the application of the microbe. This microbe has a main role in these three applications that has stated there, which is first is enzyme production, second organic acid production, and the third is the food and beverage industry. The first application is enzyme production. In amylase, it is break down starch into sugars and used in various industry, including food and brewing. And the second enzyme is protease. It break down proteins and used in food processing, detergents, and pharmaceuticals, among other applications. Next application is organic acid production for citric acid. This microbe is the major producer of citric acid, which is extensive use in the food and beverage industry. Second, other, which is this produce other organic acid like gluconic acid and oxalic acid, which have application in different industry. Third application is food and beverage industry. First, enzyme and organic acid are used in food processing, which is the production of cheese, bread, beverage, and other fermented products. Next, enzymes aid in food processing. It improves texture, flavor, and shelf life. It also has impacts in agriculture. The positive effect is breaking down organic matters, and negative cause spoilage of stock crops, leading to the economic losses. In health, it also has positive effect, which is post-health risk for the individuals with their immune system weaker, and negative effect is causing respiratory issues and allergy. This micro also relate with the SDGs contribution. First, the SDG 2 zero hunger, food processing, such as in the production of enzyme used in baking. And other than that, it also contributes indirectly to reduce food waste and improve the food quality and the production efficiency of the food. Next, SDGs contribution, which is good health and well-being. This microbe cause health concerns, which is it's for the individuals with weakened immune system. And next, it also produce enzyme for various application in foods and pharmaceuticals that improve our healthcare and also nutrition and medicine. Last but not least, this is are the references that I use to do the research about the microbe. It really helps me to know more details about the microbe, which is Aspergillus niger. And that's all for my presentation of the assessment. Thank you.